Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Any HomeKit-enabled AC or a supported bridge is required. Once you confirm that, make sure your iPhone or iPad runs the latest iOS and that the Home app is installed. Plug the AC in, connect it to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and note any setup codes on the unit or manual. Now open the Home app and tap Add Accessory. You're initiating the secure pairing that allows Apple Home to control the AC. Once done scanning the HomeKit QR or entering the setup code, the Home app negotiates a secure key with the AC. This is why Wi-Fi and correct code matter. If using a bridge, first pair bridge to Home, then add the AC through its vendor app. Home imports the device. Next, assign a clear name and room, set default cooling/heating modes, and test basic commands. Make sure Siri control is enabled so voice and automations can operate reliably. Finish by building automations and schedules. Create a wake/sleep scene and temperature limits to protect energy usage. Test voice commands with Siri and trigger automations manually to confirm state reporting works. Make sure the Home Hub, Apple TV, HomePod, or iPad is online for remote access and reliable automations. If pairing or control fails, reboot the AC, restart your router, and reset the bridge or accessory. Then re-attempt pairing. This clears transient network or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.